I wonder how you know you're recording. Oh, hi, I'm recording. Alright, hold on. Let me prop this thing back up. Pray it don't fall. My husband would kill me. Okay. I just did a video for this eye. I'm gonna try to do it on this eye so that you can see it better. But I'm getting this cheap old white eyeliner pencil. Lord knows who it's by. Whatever. Probably for 99 cents from somewhere. And I'm just gonna color in the whole thing. That's gonna be purple. Well, that's gonna be colored. And the girl does a much better video than me, but I'm just letting you know what I'm using on our kind of budget. Okay? 99 cents. And just kind of pat it. So it's not like, I don't know, creasy and gunky. And just blend the edge a little bit. Like just take my finger and just swipe the edge. So it's not so like pull that out because we gotta pull the purple out. And for the purple, I'm gonna use this purple. So in the one that has the black in it, 1, 2, 3 down, and the second one in. Okay. I'm gonna get that and start to press it on my eye. Press. Pull it up a little bit. Whoa, that's more than a little bit. Whatever. Clean it up after, okay? Trust me. You ain't that serious. Put it into the crease. I know from this eye that I like it to be more. I probably shouldn't have put that much purple. I'm just wiping this off a little bit so I can blend this purple, like, kind of make it look a little smoother. Then I'm going to use this brush that you gave me that I absolutely love. And buff out the edge. The edge of it. The edge of it. For the orange, I was thinking about this one, which is the third one from the bottom right. But don't go all the way in, as you know. I like it. The raspberry color was this one. And the one with the black, it's the fourth one down, right in the corner. Or right on the edge. I think I'll fill back in the purple a little. I messed it up. Dang it. Clean your brush before you mix match colors. Note to self. Okay. I think now that's good. For my highlight, I'm gonna use this little angle brush here. I'm gonna use this color. Worked out pretty good. So the one with the black, very bottom, fourth from the left. So just grab a whole lot of that and slap it on there. Perfection. I don't think I like the purple all the way out there anymore. Cover that up. I'm gonna get back that little angle brush and get this shimmery white color. This one here. Like perfectly lined up with the color we just used. And I'm gonna select that on the inside. Kind of faded the orange a little on this side. It's too sloppy with the white. But you know what you do? You get some more orange. Where is it? And cover it up. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, done with that. Let me take my little foundation brush that don't have anything on it. Because it's the middle of the night, Namie, and I am not putting on foundation now. Good. If I had my foundation on though, like you would actually see this purple a lot better. Purple and blue stuff. What can I say? I have this old felt tip eyeliner that doesn't hardly write. So I take it and use it for my gel liner, which works for me. I like it. Maybe you can try it. Just get some on there. Call that Wally. And then get a little mascara. I can't put it on that way. And on the bottom, take the liner brush and go back with the purple. And she said a robin's egg blue, and quite frankly this looks like a robin's egg to me. So yeah, robin's egg blue. Then go under the lashes and put in that purple. Oh no, my purple is dying quickly. I might just stab myself in the eye. Alright, so I think that's it. To tell you the truth, I think that's it. Let me take a couple pictures. Let me see if the color looks any better.